good morning. Just finishing up my workout and I'm going to talk with you a little bit. Let me just do the last bit of Okay guys, good morning, happy moving Monday. Went for my walk this morning and came into my own gym to do a little bit of workout, and just want to talk to you before I get ready for work. Where's my writing? It's not staying steady. I don't know. Good morning guys, good morning. So let me read from my notes. Rushing this morning like crazy. I have so much work at work. Anyway, growth and transformation is not manicure or sports car. Let that sink in. Beyond the surface pleasures, it's all about making a decision to be the best version of yourself and maintaining it regardless of what comes your way, like, life, problems, worries. If you make a decision to take care of yourself, in your image, in your wellness, in your spirituality, in your relationships, it's a decision that you have to make. But our mind continues to live in the past, which could create chaos, a battle, which is hard to change. Meaning, we're constantly thinking about the same thing that we've been thinking about yesterday, last week, last year. And what happened is because we're subconsciously thinking about it, it becomes our beliefs. And our beliefs become our actions. And our actions become our reality subconsciously. So we get to make a decision and stick to that decision regardless of whatever comes to our circumstances. And it's a battle, and sometimes it causes chaos because we are starting to have self-love for ourselves. Because what you focus on expands, good or bad. So change begins with the decision which you change and you get to catch yourself. So change begins with this decision that you want in your life, and we get to catch ourselves because subconscious things are going on, and we get to say, oh no, that's not what we want, and we redirect that by calming our minds. I use meditation to calm my mind and breath work so I can focus on my breath and my mind is not thinking. And I also do rewrite my script, what I desire, not what I don't. Let me clarify it. I write what I desire. I think what I desire. I try not to think about what's actually going on, problems or worries, because what you think expands. The universe brings more of that to support it. So start thinking what you desire. What else? And that's what I do. And you know, when you create self-love in yourself, it's not just nails and heels and eyebrows. It's about who you are, who you are showing up as, who you are showing up in relationships, who you are showing up in your clients, your associates, your friendships, your family. Is who you are. And when you start being the best version of you, taking the decision to work and transform you, the world, your surrounding, your immediate surroundings will start being a better place. I'm just saying, transformation is not just surface, it's self-love. Growth and transformation is self-love. So guys, I am done working out. I went for a walk, I done working out, and I'm going to get ready for work. Go have an awesome Monday, and thanks for joining, guys. And just think on it. If you start working on you, the world would be, because guess what? When you start working on you, the universe brings more of that, and the world will be a better place. Much love. Take care. Bye for now.